Hello learners. In this video, I will be telling you about MS Excel. So I'm sharing my video with you all. I hope my screen is visible to you all. So I'm typing here Excel. (2013). Click here open. And in few seconds, you will see the Excel is opened. So first of all, we click on the blank workbook. So here it comes. This is known as the name box. Whichever cell we click on to it will give the name of it, like E6. तो आप देख सकते हैं E6 वाले सेल पे मैंने क्लिक करा है. Then H3, then I7. So this is row. These are rows 1, 2, 3, 4, and these are columns A, B, C, D. These basic I've already told you. This is like sheet 1, sheet 2. This is how we increase the sheet numbers. And if we want to delete the sheet number, right click on it, delete. Right click on it, delete. Then I'm writing some serial number, some information here. Serial number, name, marks of English, maths, science, and then I'm writing here total, average, okay, these informations. So serial number 1, 2. So I'm selected this 2 cells, and with the plus sign I'm like this way. This has complete to 13. Now name Sonu, Mohit, Pavan, Dolly, Sean, Rahul, Ihu, Suman, Udhir, Manu. Okay, I'm taking 10 data, rest I'm deleting. So you can see here English marks, I'm entering random marks, 25 and 40, 60, 80, 60, 40, 54, 67, 50, 70. And the same marks I'm copying for the other cells as well. So Control C I'm used for copying, Control V. Control V. V is for pasting and Control C is for copying. So now I want to take out the total of this. So whenever you use the formula, you use equals to sign. Click on the cell and then plus sign. Click on the cell, plus sign. Click on the cell and press enter. So you'll get the total of what you have written in the first 3 columns. When you drag this, this will give the total of rest of them also. So average, for average, I have taken out is equals to sign. And then what I'm doing is total. What is total? This. Total, divide this by 3. I press enter. So 25 average. 3 subjects were there. So that's why divide by 3 I've done. If you have 5 subjects, you can do the divide by 5. So like this way, average. Okay. And if you want to take out the percentage, so for that, you just have to do is, you have to click on equals to sign, then average, into 100. Enter. So you're getting this. So if I talk about the average, that is into 100 I have done. Divide by 3 into 100. So that was the total. So you can exclude this if you want and then drag this. You can do this in the same column as well, right? Whatever percentage, whatever calculations you want to do is, you can do this way. If suppose I change the equation here, I delete this thing, equals to, I want the total, divide this by 3 into 100. So I click on enter. So again, I get the same result, which I was getting, right? So now I'm talking about some of, when I click on the insert button, you can see there. So you have many things here, insert picture. If I click on the picture part, so whatever the picture is in your saved pictures, I think it's empty, saved picture, okay. Okay, camera roll. So whichever picture you will click on it, it will get on your, you can resize it, and I have deleted this picture. Fine, whatever you can insert picture also here. If suppose I want to do the formatting of the table, then first of all, I have to select the table, the whole table. Then I have to click on this button, all borders. So all borders has came in this, and I can do the coloring of it as well, like this yellow color. I want more colors, I can click on this. Whichever color I like most, I can take that color. And if I want to take the black color as well, so you can change the color of that words as well, like this. Now, if we want to give a table, then we have to, you can click here with the right click button, insert, click if you want to insert something up, like I want to write data, student data. Student data or information, whatever you want to write here. And I want that should come in the middle and it should cover every part of it. So I will click on merge and center. So you can see, with this B, it is bold. I can click on bold. Italics, it will come in italics form. Underline, it will be underlined. Double underline, it will be double underlined. Right? So what is this format painter now? This format painter, whatever calculations I have done, all these formatting, it will, when I click on this, you can see the same formatting with this. If I click on this, like this, the formatting of merge cell and center has come here like this way. If I click again on Format Painter and I've clicked on this, so you can see here the formatting of this is same with colors. So this is for Format Painter. Whatever formatting you've done, it will come. So I've done Control Z. Control Z is for here you can click either on these. This is undo, Control Z, shortcut key, and this is redo, Control Y. So if I click on this, you can see this is redo, merge cells. It is saying merging cells only kept in the upper left cell, valid, and discard the other. Okay, like this merging cell. And if I redo this, then this has come. Now I come to a very important part, that is conditional formatting. Now what it is like highlight cell rules greater than. If I want to, first of all, I have to select my data, which I want to get conditional formatting. So I click on this conditional formatting. Then I have done greater than. I have clicked greater than. So you'll get a tab here. Format cells is greater than how much value. So I have written format cell with greater than 50 value. And what's the color? I mentioned red bold. You can see that. Red bold, the colors are coming in red bold. And I click on it and press OK. So all those numbers, I have to remove the formatting first so that it will be clear to you all that how things are happening here. So back to the white and back to the black formatting. Okay, now it's fine. So conditional formatting here, you can see greater than when I've clicked on. So it is highlighting all those which are having 4,000 plus values with light red color. So this is custom formatting also you can do. Custom formatting is here you are telling bold, fill this color automatically, number, everything it's telling. Custom according to your wish, you can do it. Okay. Next we come to conditional formatting. Less than, same with less than, between, equal to. So same duplicate values, more rules when you go to, you can get more of these formatting cells greater than. Basically we use the first one and the second one, that is greater than or less than. Top and bottom, like I want to get the top 10 items of a list. Like this is a list, English, and I want that I can get a top 10 of this. So I click on conditional formatting. I click on top 10 and you can see all top 10 have come in. If I can decrease it also, suppose I want top 5. So I can click on OK and then I'm getting top 5 with a different color. Right? Again, I click on conditional formatting and I can go on top 10%, bottom 10. Bottom we hardly see, but and if you want to clear the rules, and one very important thing is data bars. First of all, I click on all this values. I select these values. When I click on conditional formatting and I am using data bars, so it will highlight like this way, the values, the different formatting styles. You can see it very easily. This is how it's highlighting. Then I come to color scales. Color scales is also like this, different colors to different values. I click on, this is very important, icon sets like these, which is up, which is down, directional. This is showing directional arrows, and anyone you can choose like this. Okay. Clear rules you can do for clear selected cells. So I've cleared all the rules. Then I come to format as table. So you can see your whole table will be formatted in this manner. Table style 16. So this is saying where the data for your table. Okay. My table has header. I've clicked on it. So this is the table is inserted. And if I want to remove this, I will click on Control Z. There are some shortcut keys as well. So if you want to get the table, so you can click on Control L. And this is again the table format tasking, and it will convert it into table. Control L, CTRL plus capital L, Control L. Then your table would be created automatically. This is a shortcut key for this, okay? Then format cell styles. Cell styles also you can change. First of all, you have to select the cell whose style you want to change. Suppose I select this one, 6,000, and cell style I went to, and then good, neutral, 20%, headline 2, headline 1. These are the styles which you can give to your sheet cells, right? Check cells, input, linked cell. With linked cell, I'm telling you some shortcut keys. Control, Control plus A is for select all. If I click on Control plus A, you will see it will select all the cells like this. Control plus A. So all selection is taken place. And if I click on Control C, I've already told you for copy, like Control C, this will be copied. Control V, paste here. It is asking something. Okay, the formula is applied in it. So it is asking for the formula part. No problem. What we do is I show with this Control C and Control V. Again, the percentage formula is there. So it's have calculated the formatting also. It's asking us without formula if you want, or with formulas. You can see all these linked pictures. This is a paste. If I click on this, these are the pictures you can see, picture formats. So like this way, it will be highlighted. Excel is something very good and very easy to understand, but it is very useful also. I show you auto sum also. This is a very important feature. This is in this drop down, you will get sum. So when I click on sum, it's already taken those selected lines. C7 to, when I enter it, it will give the sum of all those lines. Automatic. Okay, average, what I was doing manually. If I click on the average of this, if I suppose select this, first of all, you need to select the data first before doing the calculations. When I click on this and I write average, so it have given the average in the next line. So Excel is smart enough, and it will, if I suppose I click on this auto sum again, and I click on number count, so in the next line, it has given the number count 11. Again, in the selected cell, when I clicked on max, that is maximum value, it has given the maximum value 8,000. When I click on this and I clicked on min, it will give the minimum value 11. Then we have clear. Clear is for clear all. Clear formats. Clear all, when I click, everything will be deleted. Clear format I have done. So all the formatting from the selected test is cleared. These are the editing parts, and this is sort and filter. So first of all, I'm selecting the data. This data I've selected. When I click on sort, it's asking sort A to Z alphabetically, Z to A, or custom sort or filter. So I clicked on A to Z. It's asking, do you want to expand the selection, continue the correct selection? Sort. I click on sort, and you can see accordingly the name D has come, because D was A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, like this way alphabetically it has been sorted in this manner. Then when I click on find and select, this will find, when I click on this, it will ask what you want to find. I have written, I will find any name I can take from the list. Okay, I'm writing Sonu. Okay, find all. In the sheet, we have one Sonu here. So it has selected. Find next, there is nothing. So when I double click on Sonu, it has shown everything. And find next, when I click, it says that this is not there, only one cell found. You can replace also. When Sonu will be replaced by Mohan. So when you click on next, so find next, no, it will come with replace. When you click on replace, it will come Sonu with Mohan. This is how you do this replacement. And so these all have been discussed. This is a very good thing. If suppose this decimal is there, right? And I want this cell to decrease the decimal value. So decrease, I will do by this function, this button. And if I want to increase the cell points value, I will do by this function. Like this, it will keep on increasing the decimal value. So I'm decreasing. Okay. And if I want to resize this cell, this column, then I will double click on this and it will adjust. Or you can drag it like this, right? Coming to the layouts, when I click on the layouts, you can see there is orientation. This is portrait. This is landscape. When you do the printing part, then this is required. Portrait, Control P. I have to press for printing and you will see the difference. It will come this way. And when I click on portrait orientation landscape, so this will come in other way, like this way. This will come horizontally, and in portrait, it will come vertically. Then one very important feature I want to tell you is hyperlink. This cell, I can hyperlink it with Control plus K. So it will say what you want to hyperlink, the content which should open for you. So this is open my, you can see documents. I will hyperlink in the document section. The document section, my data I have already deleted. Okay. So downloads, I can see. So hyperlink this tree. Okay. So this underline has come, and when I click on this, it will open that sheet which I have done the hyperlink of with. Control plus K is for hyperlinking. It will open the sheet. It's taking some time. Let us wait for it. Okay. Again, I'm clicking. Yes. So trees like this. Just open the PPT of trees. This is how, with the help of Control plus K, you click on the hyperlink. Then I was telling you about the background. Background is taking some time, so let us not waste our time in that. I'll click again. It will take less time. It will show the pictures basically, and that picture will come in the background of the table. So I don't think so. In my system, I have saved some pictures. Okay, online it was searching basically. So it's saying if taking long, you can work offline. So this is, you can browse it and you can do I just for a file for this, browse. There is a picture here. This will come in background like this. Okay, when you click on delete background, it will delete your background. Then all these things are, I will be telling you in later video. When we click on the formulas, this is AutoSum we have already discussed. These are some look and reference math. These are not much used, but I will tell you in the next video. This is for viewing. You want to zoom in, zoom out. This is 100% zoomed. Zoom for selection. This is how it will do. Again, you click on it. Zoom back. It will ask for how much zoom you want. I've written 100% magnification. Okay. Now this is normal. Zoom. You can zoom your sheet with this plus sign as well. When you click this way, this will zoom in. When you click this will zoom out. Then we come to the design part of it. Here you can export your table as well. It will ask that where do you want to publish your table, web address, and you can publish your table. This is for export purpose. When you click on this, your table will get that font. You have to select your table. When you put the select and click on the view, page break preview, page layout, these are all zoom selection, macro, record macro view relative reference. When you click on record macro, this will say macro name and shortcut key. This I will tell you in the next video. Okay. So basically we have discussed all the features. Yes, this one is left. Charts. Charts is a very important and very easy concept. If I click on it, it will say 2D chart you want. Like this way, the whole data has been divided and the chart has been formed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 13 items we have. And this way of any data, you will make a chart and it will show it nicely. So you can see change colors. These are some different charts of the same. This seems to be a very nice chart. So since whatever data you will share, you will get a chart of it. Okay, and how you'll save your file? With Control S, you'll save. Some of the shortcut keys I would like to tell you. Control A is for select all. Control C is for copy. Control V is for paste. Control F is for find. Control H is for replace. Control J is for justification. Alignment, when you do the alignment and you want to justify your data. And Control P is for print and Control N is for new. Okay. Thank you, listeners, for listening so carefully. Thank you.